why you keep switching trading strategies and still lose money. If you've tried multiple trading strategies and none of them seem to work, this video is for you. We're going to discuss the hidden issue, strategy hopping. The problem is not the strategy you chose. The problem is strategy hopping. It's the biggest reason traders never become consistent. Strategy hopping is what prevents you from achieving consistent trading results, locking you in a cycle of frustration. Let's dive into the core issue, the strategy trap that most beginners fall into. Most beginners think, if I find the perfect strategy, I'll start making money. This belief leads them to constantly search for something better. One week you're scalping, next week it's indicators, then price action. But every time you switch, you completely reset all your progress. Now let's look at exactly why constantly switching strategies prevents you from seeing real results. Every single trading strategy needs time. Time to understand its nuances, time to recognize patterns, and time to gain crucial confidence. If you abandon a strategy after only a few losing trades, you never give yourself the opportunity to reach genuine consistency. Remember this, even a perfectly good, profitable strategy will inevitably have losing periods. That's a fundamental part of trading. So what separates the profitable traders from the strategy hoppers? Let's look at their habits. Profitable traders don't chase new strategies. They pick one system that works for them, and they commit to mastering it. They meticulously track their results, constantly improve their execution, and achieve mastery over that one system over time. Now, we get to the root cause of strategy hopping, and it's not what you might think. Switching strategies is rarely a knowledge problem. It is fundamentally a discipline problem. You lack trust in your current system, so you keep searching for a better holy grail. True consistency in trading comes from disciplined repetition of one solid system, not from the chaotic change of constantly hopping between strategies. So if you are serious about becoming a profitable trader, it is time to stop searching and start mastering. Pick that one system, commit to the process, and focus on mastering it fully. That is the path to consistent returns. If you want tools that help you stay consistent and avoid low-quality setups, check this out. VIP indicators are designed to simplify trading and reduce confusion, helping you identify trend direction, confirm momentum, and avoid bad trades. Focus exclusively on high-probability setups. Explore VIP indicators using my affiliate link below in the description to start trading smarter.